Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. Khaby Lame. Who doesn't know Khaby Lame? Everybody knows Khaby Lame. He is one of the most popular TikTok celebrity, and he has 127.2 million followers, 2 billion likes, and I don't know how much views he has. Now, why am I showing Khaby Lame? Because I'm going to show you how you make money using the strategy he uses without the hard work he does. Interesting? Yes. You don't need any experience. You don't need a website. You don't need to be in front of the camera. The maximum you need is my software. It's a premium software, paid software, but for my YouTube viewers it's 100% free. Link in the description. Go get it anytime. Now, not only I will show you how Khaby makes money and you can make money this way, but also I will show you Khaby's website, how much traffic it has, and an interesting thing about Khaby's traffic. Now, how do I know about traffic? Because I run a 7-figure per year software company. It's an online based company, and this is basically how we make money. And if we go in a nutshell, how do we really make money? We simply make softwares that solve problems of big mass of people, and we go ask people, hey, use our software. That's it. And we will show you how you can do it using Khaby's structure, and we will show you how you can do it using Khaby's strategy without doing the hard work he does, without having any experience, without any technical knowledge, without even any website, without you being in front of the camera. So what does Khaby Lame does? If you don't know him yet for any reason, go ahead, go to TikTok and search for Khaby Lame. You'll find him and you'll see his interesting videos. They're really popular, really famous, and they go viral each time he uploads a new video. Now, what does he do? People show interesting life hacks, very complicated life hacks on TikTok and in other channels. Khaby simplifies them and shows that they're not that complex, they're simple. So basically what Khaby does is reacts on other people's videos. That's all he does. But he adds his own personality, his own touch on it. Now again, wait for me while I show you how to do the exact same thing in a much easier way. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Our next video will be about another unique way to make money online, and it will come with our premium softwares free for our YouTube viewers. And don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way they will also learn how to make money online, and you will be a cool person in front of them as you are trying to help them how to make money online. So let us begin. So Khaby doesn't do anything unique. He takes advantage of other people's popularity, reacts on those popularity, adds his own touch, own personality, and makes videos. People love it, and he becomes popular. Now if we look at YouTube, just search with the name Khaby or Khaby Lame, and you will find so many channels and so many videos reacting on Khaby's reactions. So many videos are not even reacting, they're simply compiling Khaby's videos using some tricky keywords that people look for. And in this video, I will show you those keywords that you can use literally on Khaby's videos or other famous people's videos or even any other trending topic, and you will get amazing number of views, followers, subscribers, and traffic to any link you want, and you make money from there. So before we go right there, let me show you that we do what we teach. Here is our literally brand new channel. We are building this channel for the last couple of months, and in the last 28 days we received 16,000 views from this channel organically. Now 16,000 views, if you have any idea about paid traffic, then you know that 16,000 views, you will probably have to spend $16,000 to $32,000 from Google or Facebook ads. So we literally saved this money, and then we send all this traffic to our offers. They love our content, they love our videos, they subscribe to our channels, they love our softwares, and they come back to us over and over, and this is simply we make money. You can do the same and use the same simple strategy and make money. Of course, I will show you Khaby's website, how it makes money, how it gets traffic in a weird way, and that's not TikTok. All right, let me show you what you can do with Khaby's video. So one of the video ideas that you can use is 10 minutes. People have a psychology, have an attitude of learning everything in 10 minutes. Is it really possible? It doesn't matter. People like to watch 10-minute videos. I have other videos showing people love to learn Photoshop in 10 minutes. They love to learn how to make 3D animations in 10 minutes. So they want to learn how to build muscles in 10 minutes, how to work out in 10 minutes, how to lose weight in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is a keyword that people love to go for. So if you make videos about Kaby Lame videos in 10 minutes, funny Kaby Lame videos in 10 minutes, Kaby in 10 minutes, Kaby on TikTok in 10 minutes, you'll find so many people made those videos. Make this kind of videos and you will get views. YouTube will push viewers, you'll get views and subscribers, and you'll make money from there. That was about 10 minutes. If you search with 10 Kaby Lame, you'll find so many videos about compilations of 10 Kaby's videos. Now, Kaby has hundreds of videos. If you just pick 10 of them, compile them together, and show as 10 funniest videos or 10 most interesting videos or 10 of Kaby's videos, 10 videos of Kaby Lame, and just put marks on them. This is 10, this is 9, this is 8, this is 7, and people will love to watch. Best Kaby Lame. Use the word best. People love to know what is best in your view. So best 10 Kaby Lame videos. That would be awesome. So best Kaby Lame videos, take 5 of his videos. Best Kaby Lame videos, take another 10 of his videos. Compile them, put marks on them, react on them. If you don't want to know how to react, hire someone from Fiverr to react on them, like happy reaction, excited reaction, angry reaction. Record all of them and put them in your videos. They will be unique and nobody will hate you. Even Kaby will not hate you because come on, you are using Kaby's popularity. Your videos will make Kaby even more known. Above all, Kaby does exactly this to make money. Alright, so why would he hate you? The next one is funniest Kaby Lame. So funniest Kaby Lame videos, funniest Kaby Lame reactions. You can make hundreds of videos on this topic. Kaby Lame income. People are nosy. They want to know about income. They want to know about bank balance, how much he's losing, how much he's gaining, what new car he bought, how was his life 10 years back. That takes you to Kaby Lame relationship, Kaby Lame girlfriend, and Kaby Lame breakup. Man, come on. But that's the true story. People are so nosy. They want to know everything about everyone's personal life. But yes, if these informations are open online, why not? If you choose, you can make the videos around them, literally hundreds of videos on each of them. One video short, one video long, another video just a shorts video. You got the point. The next one, Kaby Lame reaction. It's all about reaction, right? But yes, Kaby Lame reaction, this could be a keyword. Make videos around them. Kaby Lame respect. Okay, I have no idea what's so respect about, but I saw a lot of videos about Kaby showing some kind of respect about some videos, and they compiled them. They put Kaby Lame best reacts compilation. Okay, Kaby Lame respect video, 10 seconds video, 34 million views. Okay. Kaby Lame respect 250,000 views. Kaby Lame respect has all those views. I have no idea how. Kaby Lame celebrities. Kaby took advantage of his popularity and he hanged out with a couple of celebrities, took selfies with them. Those videos went viral. Example, this one, Kaby Lame and Fast and Furious 9, Vin Diesel, Ferrari and Usain Bolt. So in this video, Vin literally barely took a photo with him and walked away, but that video went viral. Now all these are basically Kaby's success. It's his hard work, but he took advantage of other people's hard work. You can do the same. Now if you don't want to do with Kaby, no problem at all. Take any trending topic, take any helpful topic, take the real topics that actually help people and make videos around them. Use my software and publish them on YouTube and you'll get thousands of views. We are getting it. You can give it too. Now finally I told you about Kaby's website. Yeah, if you are smart like Kaby, you will definitely try or start your own website. So Kaby has a kabyshop.com. This is kabyshop.com. Now interesting? No, the website is not interesting. What's interesting is the traffic. You see, Kaby has 103,000 monthly visitors. Of course, Kabi has 103,000 monthly visitors. He should have millions of visitors from TikTok, right? No. His traffic are direct traffic, his traffic are search traffic, and 42% traffic are social traffic. Interesting. It should be TikTok, but actually all the social traffic comes from Instagram. Yes, sir, or madam. Yes. So, what do we learn from this? You can get traffic from Instagram. So, make videos using my software without you being in front of the camera, without writing a script, without using voiceover, and publish your videos on YouTube, get views, get traffic. Publish on TikTok, get views, get traffic. Publish on Instagram, get views, get traffic, and make money. Now, if you don't want to have your own website, there are so many other ways. You can just get a referral link and refer others. People will click on your link and you will make money. Those techniques are in the description below in my other videos. Go watch them. There are systems where people will sign up on a particular website using your link and you will make money. And of course, when they will buy using any of your links, you will make money. I hope you liked this video so far. If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. That video will be awesome and unique. We will teach you a new way to make money online, and we will share our premium software 100% free. Don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you become a cool person in front of them and they also learn how to make money online. We get more connections and all of you get notifications when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.